stainless steel is a steel that stains less than other steel. It is not called stain-free steel, and it needs specialised maintenance to keep it looking at its best. As it is generally used in wet areas or high-traffic public areas, it needs to be cleaned regularly and left with a fine oil on the surface to help protect it from the elements. To deep clean stainless steel surfaces, use the Interclean stainless steel wipes. Take a fresh wipe from the container on your trolley and start wiping the surface with the non-scratching abrasive side of the towel. Always wipe stainless steel in the same direction as the grain. Do not clean in a circular motion. To finish, wipe the surface with the softer side of the towel. These wipes are great on all stainless steel, including bathroom paper towel dispensers, lifts and rails. For daily cleaning of these surfaces, use a dry grey microscrim or a stainless steel microfiber pad on a handheld holder. For daily cleaning of lift panels, use the stainless steel microfiber cover on an extension holder and wipe the panels in the same direction as the grain. Generally, you would use the Interclean pre-moistened wipes once a week and the microfiber pads daily to go over the surface.